Okay, so alternate exterior would be like this and this, or this and this. Now, if the lines are parallel, what do we know about alternate exterior angles? Talked about this on Friday. And on Thursday, actually. So if the lines are parallel, what do I know about alternate exterior? They are congruent if the lines are parallel. Okay, alternate interior would be like here and here, or here and here. Okay, if the lines are parallel, what do I know about alternate interior? They're congruent also. Okay, same side interior would be like this and this, or this and this. If the lines are parallel, what do I know about same side interior? Yes, they add up to 180. They are supplementary, right? Okay, same side exterior would be like here and here, or here and here. Now, if the two lines are parallel, what do I know about same side exterior? They are supplementary. Yep. All right, corresponding could be like here, 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 or here and here. All right, if the lines are parallel, what do I know about corresponding angles? They are congruent. Yep. Okay, vertical angles would be like here and here, or here and here. What do I know about vertical angles? Yeah. So what are they? Okay, and remember, vertical angles are always congruent. You don't have to say nothing else. Let's say if the lines are parallel, nothing. If it's vertical angles, they're always congruent. Okay? Then linear pair would be like here and here, or here and here would be a linear pair. Okay, what's up with linear pair? They are always supplementary. You don't have to say nothing else. If it's a linear pair, they are always supplementary. They add up to 180. Okay, so let's flip it over to the back side. And let's work out a few of these problems together. Same type of stuff we did on Friday, just practicing some more. So the first thing is this angle and this angle right here. What type of angle pair are these two? Okay, good. They are alternate exterior. And alternate exterior angles of parallel lines, and that's what this says, just assume that all these lines are parallel. What do we know about alternate exterior if the lines are parallel? Good, they're congruent. So if those two lines are parallel, I know that those two angles right there are the same measurement, or the same degree measurement. So I want to find the value of x. Okay? So if this angle is 68, I know this angle is 68. So I want to know is what value of x makes this 68. So how am I going to set that up? There you go. All right, and then just simple from there, just solving for x. So what am I going to do? Okay, minus 26 from both sides. This zeroes out, leaves 6x equals 42. Divide by 6. And you get what? Yep. So you get x equals 7 there. Because when you take 7 and plug it in here, 6 times 7 plus 26, that gives you 68. Okay? Next, number 2. So this angle right here and this angle right here. What type of angles are those? Yep. Good, they're same side exterior. And if the lines are parallel, what do I know about same side exterior? They're supplementary. Okay? So how am I going to set this up to find the value of y?
So you can line 1 plus 4 plus 68 equals 180.
There you go. Good job. All right, so from here we're just combining like terms. So 9y and then the 4 and 68 makes 72. Subtract 72 from both sides. This zeroes out, that leaves 9y equals 108. Divide by 9. And what does y equal? Y equals 12. Okay, number 3. So this 109-degree angle and then this angle right here, what are these? Okay, they're same side interior. Good. And if the lines are parallel, what do I know about those two angles? They're supplementary. Exactly. So how am I going to set this up? Okay, good. So combine like terms, 3x, nothing changes that yet. 14 and 109 makes 123 equals 180. Okay, 3x equals 57 divided by 3. And so x equals what? 19. Okay, and on this last one, so this angle and this angle right here, what are these? They're corresponding, good. And if the two lines are parallel, what do I know about corresponding angles? They are congruent to each other. They're equal. So we're just going to set them equal. 8z plus 5 equals 71. So we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. We get 8z equals 66 divided by 8. And we're going to get a decimal here. What is it? Yep. Okay. So what we're going to do is we've got practice problems and they are up in the hallway. So let me explain to you how this is going to work. So when you go outside, you can start at any problem that you want to. So let's say you go outside and you start with this little firecracker symbol. Each one of these has its own symbol. So let's say you go out here and you start like this firecracker symbol. So the first thing you're going to do in this column is you're going to say what type it is. So you're going to tell me is it alternate interior, alternate exterior, same side interior, that type of stuff. The next column you're going to tell me is it congruent or supplementary. Then in the last column, you're going to find the answer to that problem. And I want to see work. I don't want to just see x equals something. I want to see the work for it. Okay, now let's say you work this one out and you get x equals 5. What you're going to do is you're going to walk around and you're going to, at the top of each one of those papers, it says answer to the previous problem. So if you get x equals 5 on this one, you're going to walk around until you find the one that says x equals 5, then you're going to start working on that problem. And the reason I did that is it gives you a path to work through, but it also lets you know if you're getting the answers right or wrong. Because if you get like x equals 24, and then you walk around and realize, oh wait, there's no x equals 24 here. Then you can go back and say, and look at your work and say, oh, I see right there, I forgot to add whenever I should have subtracted or something like that, okay? So, and it won't necessarily go in this order. So after this firecracker, it won't necessarily be this banner. It may be on the back side of the paper, okay? So you can start wherever you want to, but work that problem out, get the x equals, then go find the one where that leads you to for the next one, right? Okay, you will probably want your calculators. Let's go ahead and go up to the hallway and go for it.